Appleton, a friendly, small community nestled in beautiful East Central Wisconsin. A healthy, all-American city where families live a quality lifestyle with clean air, low unemployment, low crime rates, and a great school system. With such ideal living conditions, it's easy to understand why Appleton is the least likely place where you would find people at the mercy of predatory lenders and in need of financial help. Or is it?
Payday lending stores. They will give you cash in a hurry, but many also stick you with high interest rates.
Money may not grow on trees, but sure looks like it grows on nearly every corner in the Fox Valley, where there's almost always one of these places. There are about 4,000 payday lending outlets in the state. Across the nation, they even outnumber McDonald's. On average, for every $100 someone borrows, it costs $22. That's nearly 600% in interest.
As we looked at the diversity in our community, as we looked at the changing population, one of the things that became real evident to us was the proliferation of payday lenders that were moving in as this growth was occurring. Individuals were migrating in the direction of non-traditional financial services offered by the payday lenders.
You can't drive around Appleton today without running past a strip mall that doesn't have one, sometimes two, lending organizations that are charging significant usury.
Predatory lending is growing at a fast rate. And it is clearly a problem for the financial services sector and for our consumers.
I was paying over $2,000 a month just in interest. Yep, for loans.
I'm paying out X amount of dollars for fees. I owe this money and I can't touch the principal. It's like paying for a house and not being able to ever touch the principal. I had 3 that I was paying fees on and wasn't getting anywhere.
You can't regulate this business out of existence. You just can't. It's free enterprise. But you can compete with them.
It became pretty evident to Bob Peterson and myself that maybe there was an opportunity here to change that paradigm and that use of payday lenders in our marketplace.
We have a history of working with people and being exposed to people who have very significant pressures in their economic lives. So Ken Iden from Prospera Credit Union, who's been on our board for a number of years, and I have had a series of conversations over time about the issues that people face who are upside down in credit. We decided that it was an interesting innovation to begin to offer the services that are now part of GoodMoney.
Prospera Credit Union opened GoodMoney on June 16, 2005. Located within a Goodwill store, this special services branch offers payday lending products at greatly reduced rates, convenient hours of operation, access to financial education services, and referral services to Prospera Credit Union's full-service branches for additional member needs.
These people at this particular credit union, Prospera and GoodMoney, are some of the nicest people I've ever met in my life.
We figured, well, if GoodMoney is willing to do all these things to help, maybe we can go to Prospera. I'll see if maybe they can get me the loan to pay all these guys off and give me a fresh start. My life went from a knot in my gut 24/7 to I could breathe.
GoodMoney also offers resources and tools to help educate its members on how to become financially independent. One such program is the Financial Information Service Center, or FISC, a program of Goodwill North Central Wisconsin. FISC is a not-for-profit, accredited consumer credit counseling agency that offers practical financial advice for real people. GoodMoney members benefit from FISC through its financial education and individual counseling services.
So much of what we've learned over the last year and a half relates to the fact that consumers just do not know exactly how to manage their financial futures. And we felt that the component that we offered was familiar, but yet was life-changing in terms of its outcomes.
We also do things with education and financial literacy training. And so it's a well-rounded program that will help somebody not only get out of debt, but hopefully teach them the skills so that they don't wander back in again.
They'll will help you where you're spending too much money that you shouldn't spend. I figure right now we're going to be saving about $250 a month. And none of that really we would have ever thought of if we wouldn't have gone and gotten that $250 loan from GoodMoney. And that's what started the ball rolling. It's knowledge.
As of November 2006, GoodMoney has gained over 530 active members, distributed over 800 referral vouchers to Fisk, has made about 3,300 loans for over $1.3 million, and has saved Fox Valley consumers an estimated $200,000 in fees. GoodMoney has proven to be so successful that Prospera Credit Union decided to reach out to the entire Fox Valley community and established GoodMoney branch services at all 5 Prospera Credit Union locations.
Through GoodMoney in the Fox Valley, they start changing the lives of individuals, and that really differentiates us from other types of financial institutions.
The people who come to the Goodwill store and take advantage of the Goodwill Money program find it to be a really wonderful alternative to what was on the street before GoodMoney got started.
The GoodMoney concept has gained well-deserved local and national attention in the political arena, from the mainstream media, and from organizations within the credit union movement.
There's no reason this model couldn't work in other parts of the country.
There's an opportunity to solve a need in a very humane way, using assets, using resources that we already have, and convert these folks into long-term credit union relationships. That's a great opportunity for the industry as a whole to turn the tide on gaining new members.
It's a wonderful program, and I would offer my heartfelt congratulations to Goodwill Industries, Prospera Credit Union, and Fisk for forming this collaboration and finding a way to serve the citizens of the Fox Cities.
Prospera, Ken and his staff there are wonderful examples of how you go about trying to engage in solving these problems. Job well done.
It's a total life-changing experience, really, just from people that care.
They helped me out when nobody else would help me out, and I appreciate it very much.
You get that one person that's willing to put their neck out a little bit and say, well, we believe in you. You know, papers are there, you know, you've got a decent job, you know, you can repay it. They just need to take a chance, and you get that one person that does, and it can change your whole life around, and it's amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, the National Credit Union Foundation is proud to honor Prospera Credit Union for their GoodMoney Special Services branch as this year's recipient of the Herb Wegner Memorial Award for Outstanding Program.